Thank you for tuning in to DeMacy Fine Watches. Today we will be comparing the Rolex SeaDwelller 16600 versus the Rolex SeaDwelller known as the DeepSea 11660 model. We'll start out. First, this is your discontinued SeaDwelller and your updated DeepSea here. First comparison, you will notice the much larger casing. The traditional 40mm DeepSea was replaced with a much larger 44mm. You will notice in the casing there, much thicker case. Of course, they do both have the release valve, but a much bigger case there on the pieces. Another thing you'll notice right off the bat is they did on the DeepSea update to the larger maxi dial, which has the larger luminous markers and hands, if you'll notice in comparison there. And you'll see the casing there. Another big thing you'll notice right off the bat is they did update to the new Cerachrome insert, whereas the old discontinued SeaDwelller had the aluminum insert there, the bezel. This one, you'll hear people refer to it as a ceramic bezel. Those are much scratch and fade resistant on that Cerachrome insert there. Another update they did, you'll notice the weight in the two, a much heavier watch. This piece is also known, and this was a 4,000 depth watch. They updated to a much, actually over 12,800 depth on the DeepSea. So if you're looking for Titanic, this is possibly the watch for you. The bracelet, they updated also to this had the old traditional flip lock on the old model SeaDweller, just your traditional flip lock class buckle there. They went to the glide lock for you divers. This is a nice upgrade here. They do have that where quick for over your wetsuit, you can open that up. Well, if I could get it open there, you'll notice that does have the slide. It's easy, that glide lock clasp for an easy adjustment there. Now both pieces do have the 31-35 movement in them, so very quality movement there. But if you're looking for a big, larger watch and a great diving watch, the Rolex DeepSea 11660 might be the watch for you today. And that is your comparison between the Rolex DeepSea versus the older discontinued Rolex SeaDweller. Thank you for tuning in to DeMacy Fine Watches. You can find more at www.demacy.com. Take care.